If you think your job is safe from AI, watch this news from January 2026 to date. The AI story everyone is talking about. So January 2026 didn't just bring new tech headlines. It brought a whole new reality. From robots working real jobs, AI reshaping businesses, phone protecting you from scammers, and apps checking on your parents. This month AI news has something for everyone. From Wall Street to your living room. Let's go through the top AI and tech story that matters to you and I right now. First off, robots are no longer confined to labs. And when I say robots, I mean physical AI. Boston Dynamics fully electric humanoid Atlas completed its first autonomous field test at a Hyundai plant in Georgia, USA, where it successfully sorted roof wrapped with zero human assistance. Industry analysts and the experts are calling this the ChatGPT moment for robotics, because it signals a shift from prototypes to real factory works. And interestingly, Boston Dynamics says it could build up to 30,000 units per year as production scales. Why it matters? Real robots working for real money. They are not just coming for targeted role. They are coming for all our jobs. And talking about jobs, Amazon just announces it's laying off 16,000 corporate employees amid rising competition and increased focus on AI. So don't be surprised to see robots hawking water in the streets of Lagos, or in a mall as a security guard, or even Bolly in Port Harcourt. Alphabet Autonomous Driving Unit. And still on the robots, Waymo closed a $16 billion funding round, valuing the company at around $110 billion, making it one of the largest raises ever. Waymo has already completed 20 million autonomous trips, and this capital will help expand commercial robot taxis services. Why it matters? The future of transport without driver is getting really fast. So if you think you are a taxi driver and you think your job is safe, this is a call-up, a reminder. Major companies like ServiceNow and Atopic are now embedding agentic AI into business workflows. That means AI that act autonomously, not just to respond anymore. Some firms are reporting ROI, return on investment, as high as 2,500% from this system. 2,500%. Why it matters? This marks the shift from AI as a tool to AI as an autonomous worker. Now, here comes the funnier one. AI as a family caretaker. A wave of new age tech tools debuted this month, including AI called Joy Calls and popular app called Are You Dead? Joy Call automatically phones elderly loved ones to check on them, and Are You Dead uses a simple daily button. If they misses 2 days, it alerts a trusted contact. Why it matters? Smart tech that helps family care for aging relatives. Why it sounds really funny? It's another way of replacing human with AI. Elon Musk brought AI hit a major controversy this month. An update allow users to generate millions of highly sexualized deepfake images of both celebrity and private citizens. And in just 11 days, they were able to generate massive number of, you know what I'm talking about. Countries like Indonesia and Malaysia immediately banned the tools, and government has since launched global debate on AI safety. Why this matter? As powerful as AI is, safety and regulation are now in front and center, because you'll be surprised it's getting really scary. Why still on Grok? The founder of Grok and owner of SpaceX, Elon Musk, has merged xAI and SpaceX into one company. One company now controls rockets, satellites, social media, and artificial intelligence. When you combine together, it is the largest company on planet Earth. XAI is losing $1 billion monthly. Yeah, Elon come up with genius strategy. He matched his money-losing company with SpaceX. And you ask, why is that a smart move? That is because SpaceX made $15 billion in revenue and $8 billion in pure profit last year. Not to talk about the billions of dollars locked in government contracts like NASA, Defense, and Space Force. Why it matters? When it goes public, and it will, investors aren't afraid of investing in risky AI anymore. They are buying rockets and government contracts that include AI. It gets even crazier. Elon just filed with FCC to launch 1 million satellites, not for internet, for AI data center in space. Elon says cheapest AI compute will be in orbit within 3 years. Why this move? AI data center are thirsty, so thirsty that companies like Meta and others are securing gigawatts of power through long-term nuclear energy deals. So while Sam Altman is fighting for electricity on land, Elon is planning to run AI from space, powered by his sun. Talking about Sam Altman, OpenAI releases GPT 5.2, and this version has a special thinking tier designed to solve high-level STEM and professional problems. It scores 70.9% on a professional benchmark called GDP-VAR, and introduce a new compact endpoint that keep long conversation coherent and cheaper. OpenAI also launches a standalone translation tool inside ChatGPT with simple and fast translation style interface. Why this matter? AI isn't just talking anymore, it's starting to reason. Meanwhile, Google Gemini Pro 3 is leading long context understanding with ability to process up to 1 million tokens at once. That means the system can read huge book, entire code base, or long video and understand them all in a single section. Why it matters? For big enterprises project or massive data sets, this could be the game-changing. Tech giant Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu launched a massive red envelope giveaway, spending over $600 million cash and prize to lure users to their AI app during Lunar New Year. This isn't a tech race anymore, it's a consumer war. Everybody is looking for people to be on their system. Why does it matter? Companies are battling over users, not just model, meaning better deals and bonuses for you and I. There is a new social media platform called Book. Here is the twist. Human don't post here, AI agent does. Both create posts, comment, react, even form their own inside jokes and subculture. Some even trade an internal cryptocurrency called Coin. Why it matters? Why it matters? It's weird, fascinating, glimpse into how autonomous AI interact online. And those movies that you used to watch, the reality of it is about to eat you. Now, let's talk about phones. Good news for everyday people. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series and likely future phones will include on-device AI scam detection. This feature listens to your calls in real time and warns you if something sounds like scam without ever uploading your data. Think of it as a lie detector for phone calls. Why it matters? Real-world protection from fraud without sacrificing privacy. Still on the phone, when we are talking about shoulder surfing, it means somebody is trying to peep through your phone. If you have ever felt uncomfortable entering your password on a crowded bus, New privacy display from Samsung and Apple will solve that problem. This can stay clear for you, but look dark or blur to others from side or from anywhere. Why it matters? Private info stay private even in public place. You've been using that before, they just want to include it in. So let us move on. Now you can finally talk back to game character. This is for gamers in the house. Come forward. In the gaming world, script dialogue are out. What does that mean? Like, now you can speak naturally into your microphone and characters respond uniquely, not from menu. Like, you can tell your character to go and hijack that car and they will go and hijack it. You can tell your character to shoot and they will shoot. Meaning, jets are becoming true social experience shaped by you now. Why it matters? This is gaming that feels alive, like it feels moldy. What this all means for you and I. Here is the bottom line. AI is no longer coming. It's already here, touching our works, our safety, our phone, our family, and our homes. Some of it makes sense. Some of it makes life easier. Some of it raises question. And yes, some even feels like science fiction. But every part of this story is real, whether you want to believe it or not. So whether you are a student, parent, business owner, gamer, or just someone trying to make sense of the future, my advice, start getting used to AI, and I mean, learn how to use it, build around it, and with it, work with it. There's no other way out. Those that jump on it early are reaping the reward now, but it's never too late for us. So, if you want a deeper breakdown of this topic, or you want to explain how this affects your job, your money, your future, drop a comment below. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's talk about the future together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.